Hey, welcome to the Coin Box. My very first video on this channel was the in-depth review of the Washington Commemorative half dollars from 1982. And I made that video. I had both the coins, the uncirculated and the proof coin, but I did not have them in their original government packaging, which I have here. So that's what this video is about. I'm just going to show this briefly. I've already done an in-depth review on these coins, but I just wanted to show what these look like. So the blue box is the uncirculated coin. And here it is. This one looks very, very nice. And I'll take it out of the box. So here it is. It comes inside this paper flip. This is the coin in here. And again, I'll leave a link to the video where I go in depth and talk about these coins, the design, its features. You can push pause if you'd like to read this. There it is. This side as well. And we cover all this information in the original video. I just wanted you to see what it looked like in its OGP. So that's the uncirculated. This is the proof. There it is. And here we have what is essentially the COA. You can pause it if you'd like to read it. And there we go. This one, this proof version has a pop-out stand. So you can open this up right here and set this up to hold it here and display it. So you can display this coin. So here are the two coins. Again, I'll leave a link to the video above and in the description. And you can go ahead and watch the in-depth review on these 1982 Washington Commemorative half dollars. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.